One eat a pasta. I feel it in my shank.
Alright, hold on there. May I get something for the pain?
The man no fees, the man. The man fees, the man. The man.
It's so crazy because I'm happy, but I just cannot stop crying.
Welcome to the call. Just let me start on the right rhythm already. Welcome to the countdown burritos. Welcome to the countdown burritos. And in the ear from you can touch your toes. Go on, bust a wine, then do a bad pose. Yo, countdown time, countdown time. Go on, eat your food and drink some lime. Yeah, countdown time is a countdown dime. Do anything all when you are dying. Yeah, all right, ready? Alexa, stop. Alexa. Stop. No, I understand why them artists say have problem with the drum man them, you know, because like when they're on stage, right, you're a DJ, like, you know, you understand? Anyway, burritos. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Yeah, man, we have 10 amazing topics to talk about. And basically, Kartel coming like him want to take over the countdown because Kartel cannot leave these social media streets alone. And then we have a whole piece of what can go so in the countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Pitchy Patchy Show. All right, burritos know. So let me just go tell you this. I was invited to the Pitchy Patchy premiere on Gala Night, yeah, man, a few days ago, and it was quite incredible. You know, I had the amazing experience of actually, you know, being able to interact with the cast, doing an interview with them just a day before the show premiered, yeah, man, and it was quite a treat. It's up on the YouTube channel right now, so make sure you go and go check it out up here. So one little piece here.
Little known fellow by the name of Roshane Dutty Berry.
Oh, wow.
A little baby.
The cast of Pitchy Patchy 2024. No, another full cast this year because honestly, they have more people on them team this year than Jesus. They have disciples, but clearly they have the budget to pay them.
It's the same amount.
It's the same amount?
It's the same amount.
Oh, okay. Oh, not y'all competing with the Lord. Oh.
Not quite.
This would be like your return. Your return to the stage. It's been, you know, it's been a minute and now it's your return to the stage. Like, how does it feel? What does it feel this time around in this cast?
So the last time I was on stage, one of my cast members was a little known fellow by the name of Roshane Dutty Berry.
Oh, wow.
10 years of go.
Oh, yes.
10 years of go, you know.
Yes.
We were laughing it off. Can you imagine that?
And I was like 11.
Oh my God. Wow.
We're going to edit out. That's going to edit?
And burritos, so I have to go and say big up the entire Pitchy Patchy team because once again, they are really putting on quite a show and setting, you know, a different take on Jamaican theater. And so the show sees, you know, people, Simone Clark, you have Yendi, you have Danger Harrison, you have Desmond Dennis, you have Evie Royal, you have Levy, who else in there as well? You have, who else? Jazzelise, you have Jody and Pantry. Like, come on, man. Like, just a host, Sanita Mary, Jolene. You have just people, we tell you, just talent, pan top of talent, and please to go and check it out. So I think they're going on for one more week, and you can get the tickets them, I think at Chilitos, and the show is being held at the Corley Auditorium. So yeah, man, check out Pitchy Patchy, and my interview as well. Hey, burritos, pausing for a bit, and let me just say we have a new sponsor for the Dutty Berry Show social media countdown, and guess it's who? It's Ding!
Okay, burritos, so as mentioned, the Dutty Berry Show is partnering with Ding, the world's largest mobile top-up platform with over 9 million customers across 156 countries. So you know, so the 10th anniversary, so we have to go and make the deal sweeter for Uno. Right now, burritos, for all of your Ding transactions, you will be getting 75% off. Yes, man. All you have to do is to just use this unique code for all of the burritos. Berry75, you get it? Berry75 for 75% off all of your transactions. So how do you get to indulge in all of this? Let me just go tell you. So the code is only valid for new Ding users on their first top-up. The code is valid for international senders, that is, someone sending credit from the US to Jamaica. The code is not valid for transactions where both the sender and the receiver are in Jamaica. You get it, burritos? So make sure enough for all of the burritos them who are in the United States, go and go top up your grandmother phone right now, go top up your loved one phone, go top up the matey phone, go top up the side chick phone. Do it right now. Oh Lord.
Number 9, Niger Boy, the gamer, me Nintendo. All right, well, why am I going to say that now? Them somebody show people age, you know. Like, boy, you know, the other day, Mrs. said Nintendo put out something and said they're actually going to bring back the Nintendo console. Like, it's going to remix it now and bring it back in 2024. Anyway, I digress. So, singer Niger Boy recently visited the UK, the United Kingdom, and he decided to have quite an adventure and play several different games. But when I tell you, you know, this is why people not sure if Niger Boy blind for real. Because why the brother shoot hoops?
Get it up a little bit more.
Yeah.
No, the bowling video there, like the fact said Niger Boy did actually like hit down all of the pin them. No, Niger, that there are people who are very well sighted and they could not achieve a feat even if they tried their utmost best. So big up in a Niger Boy, but like, you know, I do nothing for dispel the rumors there. Maybe you can really see. Number 8, Get Busy Remix. Our burritos know, so no Sean Paul song, Get Busy. Just shake that booty non-stop. When the beat drop, just keep swinging it. Yeah, man, you know the song, the man, and the music video. Let's get it on. Yeah, man, big international tune. Well, you know, when things become international at an international level, and not just Jamaican people, local people alone are going to want to partake and enjoy the festivities. So, can you believe that the Get Busy song could have been Caucasianized? One word go so? Caucasianized. Yeah, man. Did you know that Get Busy could have been Caucasianized? Well, check out this very rock version of Sean Paul's hit. You know, it's different. It's different. You know, like sometimes it tastes one food you don't normally cook. And like you can get your taste and you're like, I mean, we can't say it bad, but it's different. That is what I would give this remix. And honestly, I feel like I'd love to see more Jamaican artists put a different spin. Like take all a Roger Wild song now, Go Go, and make it into like a jazz ballad. Let me tell you what you don't know. You like bad bitch. You like go, 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 ooh, go, go. Bad bitch love. Bad Sid love. You about to get broad from you did some squats and you carry a friend forward. My rich dogs knock the bitch bomb. Why do I even know so much of the lyrics? Big up myself, Derrick. Well, that's it, man. Yeah, man. Big up Nigeria, man. Like, we need to do some, put a little different spin. Because you see, if you get the Keelis song them, and you put a different, like a classical tone to it, the people them are going to appreciate it. All church people are going to do it now because it is going to be considered more palatable. So think about it, dancehall artists. Okay? Change up the genre. Number 7, Reggae Grammy 2024. Our burritos know congratulations are in order for all of the Grammys, what you call it, next year Grammys Reggae nominees. Yeah, man, the category, you know, like, I still believe that I'm supposed to separate dancehall from reggae because, boy, oh boy, it's always a leave to some people being left out. But let's just go and share who the nominees are. So according to the Jamaica Gleaner, the Recording Academy has revealed that the nominees for the 2024 Grammy Award Best Reggae Album, right? And so the competition this year showcases a blend of traditional reggae and dancehall, with artists such as Vybz Kartel and Shenseea making the list. The reggae nominees include Coolie Buds with Take It Easy. Also nominated is Bob Marley, the One Love, music inspired from the film, which celebrates, the reggae icon. The Wailers, with Evolution. Then you have Vybz Kartel's Party With Me and Shensea's Never Gets Late Here. Now, I'm just like, boy, big up Shenseea because it's our first time being nominated in the category.
And it's so crazy because I'm happy, but I just cannot stop crying. I can't stop bawling. Like, what the f***? Do you guys know how long I've been waiting for this shit? I've been waiting ever since I found out that I could sing, okay?
As well as Vybz Kartel, like if he took this home, who can talk to Kartel after this? Because that ego is just going to even go right here. So, up further. And so, Berritos, I'd love to hear from you. Who would you like to take home the crown? Who would you like to walk away with the award next year? Is it Shenseea? You go for Coolie Buds? You want the Wailers? Them get it? You want the Bob Marley One Love movie to walk away with it? Sound off below. And also, guess who you think me want for win? Number 6, World Dog Takeover. As I'm telling you now, Vybz Kartel is dominating these streets musically and social media currently. Yeah, man, we're gonna just work with that. We'll just work with the talking, right? And so let me also big up Sidem, because Sidem are thundering down the street with Kartel, and so recently Kartel proposed to her, and that was quite a little vibe. Then we also see where Kartel is on his reunion tour ahead of the concert. So we see him link up with Popcorn, and Popcorn go buy him gift.
TikTok. You know me not like,
TikTok.
Oh, the chip chop. Doing every minute and ask, where Papi there? Where Papi there?
Lifestyle.
Off, it's a lifestyle. Don't put no cap.
You have to make sure the boss feels respected. So that, took place now. You see him link up with Lisa Hyper. They're all in a vibe. You see him link up with Gaza Hindu. Everybody, but who me not really sitting at the midst is this thing, Black Rhino. I don't really see Black Rhino at the midst, so I don't know how I go on. But I can imagine if your father come back and link up with all of the pitney and you are just like, they forgot the black sheep in the family. Well, him do name Black Rhino. So it does make sense to get the black sheep treatment. Or is it a Black Rhino treatment? These are the things that make you think. But Berritos, what do you make of just Kartel, just taking over these social media streets? Sound off Bill. Oh God, I'm gonna forget. Oh, Kartel the respond to them asking about alkaline.
Like I'm saying, everybody know Kartel set the trend, and if I dress like you, people are gonna know, regardless of if I admit it or not.
So there's no way there can be a kind of accommodation.
No, there's no bad blood either. I'm a grown man, and I'm a changed man. So we hold no grudges, and we don't eat fudges.
Merciful.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Subject, do you ever anticipate a time when you level the vibes with alkaline?
I mean, it's a good water. It's very... That's it.
Number 5, Mystic Mountain Pops. Berritos, take a look at what happens when you try to, take the elders them and introduce them to some of the little young people experiences where them never normally get, such as like a roller coaster adventure. Take a look.
Boy, me not like how you feel up here, sir. Yeah? The one you're heavier. The one you're different. I'm not here. This party. Then the man feels, man. The man feels, man. The man have to rig you up some party. Remember, so we don't live no life yet, God. Danny, you good? I want them yeah, Danny not the side of me. I want them I'm a star. Just no camera back in that one here. No camera back here.
Well, burritos, let me know. You think it's understandable, or you think that your parents would have reacted exactly like this if they were to go on an adventure like that? Sound off below. Number 4, World Dawg recovery update. All right, burritos. So as mentioned in some earlier countdown episodes, I did share that World Dawg, after celebrating Swiss Lee's birthday party in Jamaica, he went back to the United States, where shortly after he was shot. Right, shot and injured, and his friend passed away. So since then, he has been recovering and getting better, and has returned to TikTok to, I guess, work and update some of his supporters. Well, let me just go tell you now, things took a very personal a personal swerve when World Dawg decided to share what is really a burning issue, in this period of his recovery. Take a listen.
But you recover well still, you see it for true, man. Recover well, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm on the dog, recover well, dog.
Me lose whole heap of weight and anything, but the weight is a problem,
At least that, bro, that can't put on back.
Yeah, man. From me get shot, my cock not turn up on anything,
Eh?
Yeah, dog, it kill my nerves, bro. JR, it kill my nerves, dog. Me not think about nothing about nobody, I think about healing.
So now get to my favor?
I mean, I'm going to turn up, I'm mad.
Hold on, Hero, what you say? Nah, turn up.
Nah, turn up.
John, know you. Yo. If me have my thing, and they can't turn up in a better, them just finish me off already. Yo, me no want no hood we can't. Yo, John, know you.
Sometimes boy Jamaicans' ability to just take bad things and laugh, like, World Dawg say, all the way I go and him a lose weight, but what really hurt him at the fact say him penis stop work. Jesus Christ. Jesus P, man, imagine. The man nearly losing life, right now. Right now it's just like, boy, Jaja, which one did worse? And the fact that Jaden have got intervene and say, boy, if he find out, if he recover, I realize his penis never did work, he would have probably just want to go back. Just want to go back. And so, for the gentleman them out there, more have to go and ask, would you be okay if you were able to keep your life, but then lose your genitalia? Would that be a fair trade-off for you to keep life, but to lose life in your genitalia? Sound off in the comments. And for the woman them, which one you would have choose on behalf of your man? You get me? Like him can't make a decision, are you would have rather keep him life? Or make him lose him in manhood? Sound off in the comments. Number 3, Pine beating. All right, burritos. So, Prince Pine, right? He recently put out a video, man. One of the comedic skits them online, and people, the trauma, the way it activate the inner child and the trauma, I feel like I have to ball all over again. Take a look.
Is what I got in my house? What you?
Me food.
Oh no, poor soul.
It break.
How that happened?
Me did a back flick.
Oh.
I'm a jump on my ankle. Me all feel it in my shank.
Alright, hold on there. May I get something for the pain? Which part you say I hurt you again?
My ankle and my shank.
How much time I tell you? Stop the arm sounds. How much time I tell you? You still a feel it? You still a feel the pain? You got a dog. You feel it somewhere else, dog. You're a gymnast. Suppose I did broke one of my figure read about the entertainment center. The devil find work for Iger and. Your hand them Iger. Stop it your foot too.
Oh gosh, man. Oh God, man. Now, I don't remember when I look at Pitney, I want to run up and down and play. I want to actually drop. Or cut on yourself on a ball now, and you go to your mother, or you go to your father for some little concern, and then listen to you, only visit them return with a belt and beat you in the middle of your moment. Jesus, pay, man, mothers. Oh God, I saw me watch a video and I laugh, man. And me only fit all of me pass beatings them, start for us a playback in my head, and I say, Jesus, the trauma. You run and I'll buck you to and run now, and you end up and get beaten in right now, man. Oh my God, man. But Pine, oh God, Pine, I guess thank you. Thank you for making us laugh and to remember all of the pain that we have endured as kids. Jaja. Number 2, Kartel for Trump, world boss. All right, burritos. So, does this come as a shocker for anyone? Like, me not think it came as a shocker. Like, if I were to guess who Kartel would have voted for, me have an idea say he would have voted for a Trump. Because, me don't know, me just feel like the two of them as like leaders, you know, them go through the whole system, I try to get them and the whole criminal past, you know. I feel like they would have the little thing they for kind of band over now and understand what it feels like to be like somebody who has a cult-like following, but is getting very much oppressed by the system. I feel like that would have resonated with Kartel, right? And so on a recent interview with Mr. Anthony Miller, who always asks all of the relevant questions, Kartel said this.
Donald Trump has won the American election. What's your reaction to that?
I mean,
is that good news for you?
Yes, he's the right man for the job. I believe so. I mean, I don't do identity politics. So not because you're black, I'm going to vote for you. What is your policy? What are your policies? So for me, I think he's the right man for the job. He deserved it. Big up Mr. Trump. It is what it is. That's why people love him. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. He gives it to you the way you should get it. Raw, unadulterated, and true.
Yeah, man. And so since then, I guess a lot of his supporters and just Jamaicans had a lot to say about Kartel's stance. And it seems like a lot of them are not very much in favor because they feel like, say, you know, Kartel should have probably been more open to supporting the black woman and all kind of things. But as Kartel says, he's not with identity politics. And as I say, let that man be. Because right now, I feel like Kartel is going to eventually set up himself for some sort of political power. And that is going to be a day if that man ever decides to go run for MP over where Waterford Kartel come from over Gaza. If Kartel ever do that, you know, the man not do it for lose, you know. If him ever get for set film food proper in the PNP, you know, man, may I tell you, watch Kartel get to work. So, Burritos, just let me know, what is your take on Kartel supporting Donald Trump? Sound off below. And number one goes to Macka and Derrick viral hit. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Macka Diamond's viral trending hit. Where's song name again? What can go so? Take a listen.
Them in a trouble. Part second. Mr. Guy. Mr. Derrick. One heap pasta. Mr. Guy. Hey. Over there now to no die. Mr. Guy. Hey. Run out, no. Mr. Guy. What can go so?
Oh wow, yeah man, the song fully depend trending, you know. Like people were making it just to be a gimmick song and people are laugh after it. But the song get up have whole heap of replay value because I guess people just like the opener. That is Derrick Morgan and maybe I know. Derrick Morgan and Macka Diamond, we never did see this in a year 2024 bingo card. But here we are and they actually have a viral hit on their hands. Mr. Guys, one heap of pasta, Mr. Guys. It is catchy. And then Macka Diamond, she take the verse and she's talking about all of the TikTok beef and the saga them and the mix up them. That if you're not somebody who keeps up with the week-to-week, day-to-day carrying-ons on TikTok, you don't know nothing about what Macka Diamond talk about. But if TikTok is your way of life, you definitely get the song and understand the message. You know, but Burritos, let me oh God, before we even go wrap this up now, go and go check out two of the memes them and the ways how people have been spoofing the song. Yeah man, some of them quite hilarious, but boy, them have a hit on them hands. You know, what can go so? All right, Burritos, that is it. You know, let me know what you think of Macka Diamond's and Derrick hit song, sound of below. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of the social media countdown. Please ensure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Okay, remember to follow me on all my platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And once you have done that, you know, please go and go support Ding. Or support Ding, looking at the description for the download link where you can go straight to and get the 75% off once you use the unique code of Berry75. Yes, man, to make your purchase and send credit to your loved ones. All right, and to follow me, to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, take care. Papa. What am I say? Tata. Jeez, I'm hungry now.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.